I earned 3,000 US dollar from remote working, and this is my best decision ever. Whether you are developer, entrepreneur, or just someone looking for more freedom, stick around. This video contains tips, tricks, and some personal insights on remote work life. Let's dive in. It all started when I was just a kid in elementary school. I remember walking into a local internet cafe and I saw someone typing lines of code on their screen. I had no idea what they were doing at that time, but I knew it was something I want to learn. That moment stuck with me, and from then on, I was hooked. Programming looked like magic to me back then. Little did I know, it will become my future career. For those of you who don't know, I'm a full-stack developer and entrepreneur. A few years back, I worked on site for a short time, from November 2018 to April 2019. I was the only developer there, and without a mentor, I felt like I wasn't growing. So I took an offer from a foreign company and switched to remote work. And honestly, it's been a game changer. And if you are wondering, yes, coding can be tough. But trust me, if you put in the time, it pays off big time. Especially when you can build something of your own and make a living from it. So what I actually do as a remote worker? Well, a big part of my income comes from being a remote worker as a full-stack developer. I take on web development projects, build websites, develop applications for clients and companies from all over the world. But I don't just stop there. As a solopreneur, I've started multiple side hustle and businesses that brings in additional income. Because why have one stream of income when you can have 5, right? And I'm going to share how you can do it too. I started back in high school around 2016 when I built platform AdSafe.click using just a blogger. It was a fun experiment though, and I managed to make around ₱1 million over a couple of years. Not bad for a teenager, right? Fast forward to today, and I've been trying a few other platforms like Cuan.sh and Sweetmail.pro. While Cuan.sh hasn't really taken off yet, but Sweetmail.pro has actually been pretty cool. I've made sales on soft launch and grand launch period. I also have a JustAHost.club, which is my biggest earner. I've made over $550 from that platform alone. It's crazy to think that a few years ago I was just a kid playing around with YouTube, and now I'm actually making some real money from it. Who knows where this journey will take me next? Alright, let's talk numbers. How do I make 3,000 US dollar amount remotely? I've got a few different streams of income. The bulk of it comes from my full-time remote job, and the rest of it comes from freelance where I usually charge per project or hourly for the larger clients. I also make money from my side project and my own product. On top of that, I run a couple of solopreneurs projects that give me a passive income. It is not as glamorous as it sounds. I still work hard on these projects, but the freedom and flexibility it gives me, totally worth it. In fact, I found that having multiple income streams is the key to staying afloat as a remote worker. Relying on just one project or one client can be risky. Diversifying is how I keep the cash flow steady, even during the slower months. One of the projects I've been really proud is Sweetmail.pro. It's a platform I've been working on recently, and I'm excited to say that I managed to develop and deliver it 50% faster than my first product. That was a huge win for me because it shows how much I've grown in terms of efficiency and managing projects. Plus, during both the soft launch and grand launch periods, I was able to successfully generate sales. Seeing people actually use and pay for something I built has been an amazing feeling. The best part about remote work? The freedom. I can work from literally anywhere. Want to code from the beach? Done. Need to take a break for a coffee? Done. Remote work lets me control my own schedule and work when I'm most productive. Plus, no more commutes, and I can wake up, grab a coffee, and start working right from my home office. And let's not forget the work-life balance. I get to spend more time with my family, travel, and even explore new hobbies. The truth is, remote work isn't just about the money, it is about living life on your own terms, and for me, that's priceless. If you are watching this and thinking, I want to start working remotely, it is not as difficult as you might think. Here are a few tips to get started. First, build your skills. Whether it's a web development, graphic design, or content creation, figure out what you can offer remotely. Second, start networking. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or even niche communities are great for finding gigs. And lastly, be patient. Building up a client base or starting a successful project takes time. But once you are in, you won't want to go back to the 9 to 5 grind. If there is one thing that I've learned, it is that your path doesn't have to be linear. You can make your own way in tech, whether through self-learning, bootcamps, or even college. The most important thing is to stay curious and keep pushing forward. I'll take YouTube more serious this year, and I want to share the whole journey that I've been through, how I learned, and how I became a solopreneur from a full-time software engineer. So if there's any questions or anything that's helpful, please let me know and leave your comment below.